Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into a review of Lexington Law for 2025. If you've been struggling with your credit score or looking for ways to improve your credit report, you've probably heard of them. But what exactly does Lexington Law do? Is it worth your money? Well, stick around as we break down everything you need to know from services to pros and cons. Let's get started. So what is Lexington Law? To put it simply, it's a credit repair company with over 15 years of experience. Their job is to help you fix your credit report by removing inaccurate or outdated negative items. We are talking about missed payments, charge-offs, or accounts that shouldn't even be there. These things can drag your credit score down, and that's where Lexington Law comes in. They challenge and dispute these items, aiming to boost your credit score and help you unlock better financial opportunities, whether that's securing loans, getting approved for credit cards, or even renting your next home. Okay, let's break down how Lexington Law actually work. They start by analyzing your credit report, looking for any negative or inaccurate information. If they find something off, their credit experts and attorneys will contact the credit bureaus and dispute those items on your behalf. And it's one of the best ways to improve your score. Once the dispute is filled, they follow up until there is a resolution. If needed, they even have a legal support to escalate dispute, which can make the process faster and more effective. Remember, though, they don't just remove everything automatically. They only dispute items they believe are inaccurate. So it's all about cleaning up your report, not wiping it clean. Lexington Law offers three main service plans tailored to different needs. Here is the breakdown. Concord Standard. Their basic plan includes credit report analysis and dispute filling. It's perfect if you are just starting to improve your credit without a big investment. And also there is Concord Premier. This plan is built on the standard by adding a credit score monitoring and more aggressive dispute strategies. It's great if you want more comprehensive service while keeping an eye on your credit score. And the third one, which is Concord Premium. The top tier plan includes everything from the first two plans, plus identity theft protection, advanced legal services, and also extra dispute assistance. It's ideal for those looking for full credit management and fraud protection. So if you went to their website, just go to their plans, and there you can find all the plans that I just talked about in details. So go there and try to see which plan is good for you and which plan do you need, because sometimes you don't need the Premier Plus or the Premium one, you only need the Concord Standard, but sometimes you need the Premier Plus or Premium because your case is different. So try to go there, try to read all the plans and what each plan offers, and then you can decide which plan you can go with, or you can take a consultation with them so they can advise you which plan is going to be better for you. Now let's go over some of the pros of Lexington Law. Here is why they stand out in the credit repair world. First, which is they have an experienced team. With over 15 years in the business, they have built a knowledgeable team of experts and also of attorneys who knows the ins and outs of credit repair. Second, they have legal support. Unlike some competitors, they offer legal services to tackle more complex credit issues. Third, which is customized plans. You can choose the right level of service based on your budget and needs. Fourth, credit monitoring. Higher tier plans give you access to credit score monitoring to track your progress. Fifth, which is proof success. Many customers have seen improvements in their credit score, of course, after using Lexington Law's services. These advantages make Lexington Law a solid choice if you need help with credit repair. Of course, there are a few cons that you need to consider as well. Lexington Law can be pricey, from prices starting at $89.95 per month, reaching up to $129.95 per month. If you are on a tight budget, it might feel a bit steep compared to other services. Also, there is no guaranteed results. While they have helped so many customers, there is no company that will ensure that all negative items will be removed. It depends on your specific situation. The con number 3 is limited availability. Lexington Law doesn't operate in every state, so you must check if they are available in your area. 4, which is mixed customer reviews. While there are a lot of people people or customers who were satisfied, there are also other customers who mentioned that there was a poor communication and also dissatisfaction with the results. So is Lexington Law worth it in 2025? Well, that depends. If you've tried fixing your credit on your own without success, or if your credit issues are complex, here their teams of experts can definitely help. They've got experience and legal know-how to handle tough cases. But if you only have a couple of small negative marks and are on a tight budget, you might need to look for other more affordable options. Remember, credit repair is not an overnight fix and the results can vary. Alright, that's a wrap on our review of Lexington Law in 2025. I hope this video has helped you to understand what they do and how they can help you, and whether they are the right choice for you or not. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment with any question you have or with any experience you had with Lexington Law. Also, don't forget to subscribe to get more tips and reviews videos. This was the video. I hope it was useful to you, and see you in the next video. Bye.